What's up, everyone? It's Cars here, and today we're jumping into the world of luxury EVs in 2026. After a wild 2025, every luxury automaker is all in on electric, and the results are next level. The bar for luxury EVs is sky high. Performance, battery tech, and interiors have all been redefined. It's not just about bigger batteries anymore. It's a total rethink of what a luxury car can be. The competition is fierce, with legacy brands and new players pushing boundaries. It's about the whole experience, now. From approach to self-parking. In this video, we'll break down the most anticipated models and the trends shaping this new era. Think ultra-fast charging, AI-driven cabins, and sustainable materials. Let's dive into the future of luxury EVs. First up, meet Radeon, a new name making a massive entrance with the E1. This luxury GT packs a jaw-dropping 200 horsepower from a twin-motor all-wheel drive setup. It's not just about raw power. The E1 is one of the first production cars with a full solid-state battery, and that means a 350-mile range and, more impressively, charging from 10% to 80% in under 15 minutes. Step inside, and you're greeted by a holographic dashboard, floating dials, gesture controls, and a truly sci-fi vibe. The seats are sculpted from recycled carbon fiber with vegan Alcantara upholstery that feels ultra-premium. Radeon's message: you don't have to choose between luxury, performance, or sustainability. The E1 is a bold tech-forward statement that challenges the old guard. New brands like Radeon aren't tied down by tradition. They're building the best cars possible with today's tech. The E1's blend of power, battery innovation, and futuristic design sets a new standard. It's forcing established brands to step up or risk falling behind. This is what happens when you start with a blank slate and ask, what's possible? The E1 is one of the most exciting cars of the year. It's not enough to just be electric anymore. You have to innovate on every front. The question now, can legacy brands keep up with this level of disruption? Radeon's debut is a wake-up call for the industry. The E1 is proof that the future belongs to the bold. It's a car that's as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. The luxury EV game just got a new player, and everyone else needs to catch up. The bar has officially been raised. Now, let's talk Bentley, the masters of grand touring, now fully electric with the Continental EV. This isn't a concept, it's Bentley's flagship GT, reimagined for the electric era. Under the hood, a massive 120 kilowatt battery, delivering that signature, effortless torque. 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Astonishing for a car this size, but always smooth and silent. The real magic is inside. Bentley's new bespoke program lets you personalize everything, with a focus on sustainable luxury. Think grapeskin textiles, ancient wood trim, and vegan leather in any color you want. The rotating display is updated, modern tech when you want it, classic dials when you don't. It's a blend of old-world craftsmanship and new-world innovation. Bentley proves you can go electric without losing your soul. The Continental EV is a rolling work of art, timeless, sustainable, and unmistakably Bentley. It's grand touring, redefined for a silent, electric future. The transition to electric is seamless, luxury, comfort, and sustainability all in one. Bentley's legacy continues, now with a conscience. The future of grand touring is here, and it's silent. Next up, Audi's RS e-tron GT2, a performance icon, now smarter and faster. Power jumps to 937 horsepower, with instant acceleration and a 2-speed gearbox for both punch and efficiency. But the real leap is Audi's predictive comfort system. Biometric sensors in the wheel and seat monitor your heart rate, posture, and more. The AI adapts the car's settings in real time, softening suspension, cooling the cabin, or even suggesting music based on your mood. It learns your habits, adjusting everything from ride quality to climate, making every drive feel tailored to you. It's a proactive co-pilot, not just a machine. The RS e-tron GT2 is more than fast. It's intuitive, adapting to you on the fly. This is the next phase of human-machine partnership in cars. Audi's blend of power and AI makes every journey feel perfectly optimized. The future of driving is personalized, intelligent, and exhilarating. Mercedes-Maybach takes opulence to new heights with the EQS S-Class. Built for those who prefer to be driven, it's a private jet on wheels, over 400 miles of range, ultra-smooth air suspension, and a cabin that's a silent sanctuary. The rear seats are executive lounges, reclining, massaging, and climate-controlled, with a full-length console and even a built-in espresso machine. Every detail is exquisite suede pillows, deep pile wool carpets, and silver-plated champagne holders. Rear passengers control everything from massive OLED screens, lighting, climate, sound, and more. The ambient lighting system creates dynamic, calming effects for a true sensory experience. Maybach's electric flagship is the ultimate in comfort and tranquility. By removing engine noise, they've created a blank canvas for pure luxury. For those who value time and comfort above all, nothing else compares. This is electric luxury at its most indulgent. Solid-state batteries have finally arrived, transforming the luxury EV landscape. They pack more energy into less space, boosting range by 10–15%, pushing many models past the 350-mile mark. The real breakthrough? Sub-15-minute charging, thanks to stable, high-voltage solid-state cells. Fast charging is now a non-issue. Grab a coffee and you're ready to go. For luxury buyers, this is a must-have: more range, less waiting, and greater peace of mind. Solid-state tech is now the benchmark. If your flagship doesn't have it, you're behind. Brands are racing to implement it, with full or hybrid solid-state packs. This is the biggest leap since lithium-ion, and it's changing what's possible for high-end EVs. The future of electric luxury is faster, safer, and more convenient. Solid-state is the new standard. AI-driven personalization is redefining the luxury car experience in 2026. The car learns not just who you are, but how you feel, moment to moment. Sensors track your mood, stress, and habits, adjusting lighting, music, climate, and even seat massage automatically. It anticipates your needs, warming the wheel on cold days, queuing up your favorite calls, or suggesting a scenic route home. Passengers get the same treatment. If someone falls asleep, the car dims lights and lowers volume in their zone. Over-the-air updates make the system smarter over time, evolving with you. The car becomes a digital companion, not just a machine. This is a huge leap from static settings. Your car now feels alive. In 2026, luxury means a car that truly knows you. Luxury and sustainability now go hand in hand. The new status symbol isn't just rare materials, it's materials with a story and a positive impact. Think grapeskin textiles, mushroom leather, and reclaimed ocean plastics. Beautiful, durable, and eco-friendly. Every detail, from seat foam to adhesives, is reimagined for sustainability. Brands proudly tell these stories. Your trim might be made from plastic pulled from the ocean. It's about thoughtful consumption, not excess. This mindset resonates with a new generation of buyers. Sustainability pushes designers to be more creative, resulting in richer, more meaningful luxury. In 2026, true luxury is stunning design, top performance, and a clear conscience. Having it all means caring for the planet, too. The final trend: integrated mobility and autonomous valet. Imagine arriving at a hotel, stepping out, and your car parks itself, no hunting for spots. If it's low on charge, it drives itself to a charging station, tops up, and returns, all while you sleep. This is enabled by V2X communication and detailed mapping, cars and infrastructure working together. For luxury owners, it's the ultimate convenience. No more parking hassles or charging worries. The car manages its own logistics, freeing up your time. These features are limited to specific areas now, but they're a huge leap toward full autonomy. The car is now part of a connected ecosystem, not just a product. Once you experience this, you'll never want to go back. Integrated mobility is the new definition of effortless luxury. The car becomes a service, not just a possession. This is the future of convenience. That's the state of luxury EVs in 2026, where power, tech, and sustainability converge. Solid-state batteries and AI personalization have redefined what luxury means. It's not just about speed or leather anymore, it's about seamless tech, convenience, and a conscience. These cars are status symbols and statements of forward-thinking values. The future of opulence is silent, smart, and sustainable. What excites you most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.